The long wait is over. The Taubik Pivot electric trike is finally here. Oh, look at that seat. Oh, that's easy. Oh, nice headlight. Yeah, this is cool. How easy is that? Yeah, that's nice, eh?
These Taubiks are great.
They really are. They're my favorite. Team driven, yeah, that thing's gorgeous. Woo! Got power! Oh, I'm so excited! Oh, we've been waiting so long. Okay, listen, I've been selling the Taubik for years, and it's not the easiest trike. No trikes are easy to ride. Taubik, they have so much passion. They designed this from top to bottom. This is an epic trike. First of all, it's torque sensor. That's huge. There's no propelling. It just smoothly glides you along with the assist. 20 amp lithium battery, full LCD screen, adjustable brakes, huge light. I love these tires. These tires are way better than the regular fat tires. Those ones wear out really well. These ones are more stable, but let's talk about this. This is a rear drive with differential. So that means that, first of all, you're being pushed instead of pulled. And it also means when you're cornering, your outside tire can move independently from the inside, which means that, right, if you're turning, your outside tire goes longer, it spins more. So technical I am with my explanations. That's huge. And it's also, what's the word? It's pivoting. It's pivoting. So you've got these shocks here that it's gonna lean with us. And so I can't wait to test drive it. But look at this step through. Look at the quality of like the rack and the plates there is what I want to say. Oh, I'm gonna sit on it. Look at this seat. Oh, nice suspension. Look at that. I'm very excited. You can move your handlebars forward if you want. I want to go, but let's just go for it. Woo! Okay, so the cornering, yes. I like how bouncy it is because it's got the suspension in the middle, and I want to throttle. There we go. Woo, it's got power. You have to have a torque sensor for a trike. Like, you have to. The torque only, it puts out the power that you put in, so you don't get that jarring movement forward. So when you're doing slow speeds and you're going around a corner, the regular one's a cadence, it'll set you flying forward. It's like turbo mode, and this, with the torque, it doesn't. It's way safer, it's way smoother, but safer is the key there. Safer. And it's like, this is awesome. Awesome!